secret. And they say, I don't like secrets. I don't. Will you walk away if someone wants to say a secret to you? Somehow, secrets and top secrets are very interesting and we are curious to know. Today, I just want to use this word, secret. Secret to enjoy the season, just to grab the attention of my dear students. Hello, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, and my dear students and youngsters, especially the age group of 14 to 18. Welcome back to another interesting video. Top secret I used is to grab the attention so that you can enjoy the season. Today is 13th January. Starting off our first festival of the year, a big festival in Andhra Pradesh, it is called as Pedda Panduga. And it is called as Makara Sankranti in some of the southern states, especially Telangana, Karnataka. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal. In Assam, Bihu, Maga Bihu. Magha Sankranti, Magha Bihu. Wonderful names. But this festivity is not sitting in the corner of the house. Festival is meeting the people, wishing one another. But as we are all aware, how the cases were rising up, spiking COVID cases. That's why I saw a top secret to enjoy the season. A top secret to enjoy the season of Bogi, Sankranti and Kanuma and the season of harvesting and festival. What is this top secret? Go get yourself vaccinated immediately. We are lucky at our institution, around 222 students vaccinated by government of AP. And some of the 60 plus are being booster vaccinated. Those who are vaccinated only first one, go for second dose. Vaccination is top priority. And if anyone has any difficulty with vaccination, don't be disappointed. Still we can enjoy the season. Still the top secret goes like this. First one, always remember simple letters, SMS. We all know this, SMS. What is this SMS? First S, sanitizing, hand wash. Always make sure that you use sanitizer, you use the soap, you wash your hand as frequently as possible, at least this month, this season, this festival season. M, mask. Have your mask all the time. Though you are at home, when your grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, mother, sisters, cousins, everybody are at home, still you have the mask at least for next 2-3 weeks, even at home, when you are very close to your festival, your celebration, your people at home. Even if you're outside the home when you're doing this rangoli, even if you're outside the home when you are always enjoying with different kinds of festivities, but still I want you to have your mask. Mask should be a nice cotton one. It protects you not only from any kind of viruses, but also from the dust, from common cold and cough, from allergies. Please kindly make this habit of having your mask whenever we are very close to even your family members too, because we are all going out, we are working, we are meeting so many people in a day. So let us protect ourselves And also, let us be a barrier. Let us not help the virus to spread. Let us make a stop to this virus by using the mask every time, whenever there is a necessary to use the mask. And third one, and an important one, social distancing. Because it's a festival time, you have people coming home or you may go. We may not have lockdowns. We have to enjoy the seasonal celebrations. But basic rules of COVID, we should not forget. Your social distancing. You need to be away from people 6 feet. Minimum 6 feet. And it is a respect for you, respect for others when you are not close to one another. These 3 rules are very important for human values. Not only helping us in this health, not only helping us in our pandemic days, but also these 3 are very good for good human values wherever we are crowded, especially our country. As our population is so high, we have so many people whenever there is a feast, festivals, socializing, fetes. We enjoy being with groups, huge numbers. We give and take, we share. We do bonfires. We do so much of rangoli. We go out during this festival season, and also kite flying is one of the important thing in this season of Sankranti. All these time, remember this SMS. Sanitizing continuously, having your mask all the time, whenever with someone, and social distancing. It keeps your respect. It keeps others' respect, and we can put a big stop to this spreading of new variants, whatever you name them, whatever the name may be. It is in our hands to stop this variant. It is our responsibility to not to spread. Simple things. Government is giving us vaccination. Why wait and think and have some misbeliefs? Go have your vaccination. That's the first thing. If we are not in a position to take the vaccination, these 3 things are top secret to enjoy the season of Sankranti, having the festivity, enjoying the delicious food, enjoying the kite flying, bonfire, socializing, going for various things, meeting people. No one can stop us. This is what is caring for one another, taking care of ourselves, taking care of others. Keep these things in mind. These are the top secrets, but have to be used by every student, every teacher, every parent, every well-wisher of the St. John's community. Kindly think about it, because whole India is going for a Pedda Panduga, big festival from today. So remember these things. Have a safe and wonderful time of festival. Be blessed. Have a nice day.